All right, guys, happy Monday. Today is June the 1st. We are at our first and only job of today. We're out here in the Decatur, Georgia area. This job was actually referred to me, was a referral. And this is Mr. Charlie. He reached out to me. Came out here, did a consultation Saturday. We're doing a wax removal and granite countertops. We also went and did a consultation this morning in Midtown that went really well. It's going to be a clean and buffing for a condo on the 39th floor. And I also booked us another job for Wednesday. So we have two jobs Wednesday. So we got a busy week. Had some good leads come in this morning. Actually just had one come in from Alabama. Asked us would we be willing to come to Alabama. So let me show you what we got here, guys, on this floor. Got a little bit over 800 square feet, wax removal and the granite countertops. All right, guys, so we are in Decatur, Georgia. This is my hometown where I'm from, Decatur, right off of Wesley Chapel Road. And let me show you what we got going. So they moved all the furniture, well, most of the furniture. So you can see right here, they had a rug. See that, guys? That's all wax on the floor, all right? There's a pretty thick buildup. All of this right here, which we already start emulsifying. Then here, we're just gonna go around the table. And then here, we're gonna go around this sectional sofa. And then this small hallway right there. And then this room right here. So that's what we got going. You can see the line right here from the rug when they pick the rug up. So it's not too bad in here, but most of the wax buildup is here in this dining room area. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and get started. Stay tuned.
Wax on, wax off. Courtney Miyagi, wax on, wax off. Truman.
Courtney Miyagi, wax on, wax off.
Wax off, wax off.
Bringing old wood floors back, showing off, showing off.
Truman.
Courtney Miyagi, wax on, wax off.
Got the granite shining bright.
Showing off,
Yeah,
showing off.
showing off.
Clean and buff, buff and shine.
Everything glowing when Truman come by. Courtney Miyagi in the house today. Old wax on the floor, gotta clear the way. Buffer spinning slow, watch the magic work. Bringing tile wood flows back from the dirt. Kitchen countertop looking dull and gray. Clean it, buff it up, bring it back to dead. Stone start glowing, hardwood got life. Whole house shining by the end of the night.
Wax on, wax off.
Shine on,
Shine on,
show off.
wax on, wax off.
Buff and shine,
Shine on,
show off.
Courtney Miyagi, wax on, wax off.
Hardwood flow shine,
Showing off, showing off.
showing off.
Courtney Miyagi, wax on,
Granite countertops glowing,
showing off.
showing off.
Clean and buff, buff and shine.
Everything looking brand new tonight. From the foyer to the kitchen light, everything polished up looking right. Years of builder disappearing fast. Courtney Miyagi making beauty last. Customers smiling when they walk inside, seeing reflections they can't even hide. Wood floors fresh and the stone so clean, looking like it's stepped out of magazine.
Wax on,
Courtney Miyagi,
wax on,
wax on,
wax on.
wax on, buff and shine.
Looking right.
Truman. One day shine.
Wax on, wax on.
Wax on.
Wax on.
All right, guys, we are done. Floors came out amazing. Just book, you know, I've been manifesting. I know every, you know, we're gonna get a road trip. So I just booked a job in Alabama. Guy said he found me on TikTok. So he got some engineered floors. But guys, let's get back to these floors, man. Look at these floors now. Wax removed, cleaned, neutralized, and also buffed out. Beautiful. Now, guys, remember the job that I did last Friday? Remember we buffed his floors out? This is the same thing. See that nice shine on those floors? So we brought that because this floor has a factory finish on it. So honestly, a lot of people don't know, unless you sand this floor, you're not supposed to put anything on this floor because it does not adhere to the floor and it doesn't bond well. Now we can screen and recoat this, but she likes a shiny floor and this is shiny and this came out amazing. Also the countertops. Come look at your countertops, Miss Renee.
These floors look brand new.
Brand new.
Like we just got them done 20 years.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank
You welcome.
you so much.
You're welcome. Now, guys, I will say though, I let my client say it. I don't say it. You know, she said brand new, but I tell my clients, we will definitely improve your floors, and also the countertops.
That was bad.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. All right, guys. Well, that's going to do it. We are done for today. Tomorrow, we're going to be in Atlanta. The concrete floor that we did Saturday, she wanted us to come back and seal the other half that she originally did not want to seal. And then we have a... Yeah, you know you do a good job. Your client keep complimenting you. Thank you. And we got a screen to recoat tomorrow, UV cure. It's an old floor. She did not want to sand the floor. A lot of people in the city now, these areas like Decatur and Atlanta, a lot of people moving to these older homes and they don't want to make these floors look brand new. They want to keep those old characteristic looks. So we got one tomorrow. And then I also picked up another one that found me on YouTube today for Wednesday. So we got 2 Wednesday. So yeah, guys, all right, that's going to do it. Clients are happy. See you in the next one.